going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I just want to talk to you guys about, I want to show you how easy this bike is to ride on the street. I don't know how I can show that, but I can tell you it's definitely super easy. Like there's so much room in terms of ergonomics on the bike that it's so deceptively comfortable. I mean, it's just amazing to me how comfortable it is for a bike of this magnitude. This is a V4R, this is a race bike, right? But I'm not having any trouble controlling it on the street on slow maneuvers like this. Let's try this U-turn. This is crazy. It's my first U-turn on this bike. It's scary. I don't want to drop. Alright, let's try to do some, like, you know, check out these parking lots real quick and see how it handles like slow maneuvers. And see right there, all those things like turning off the throttle, turning it up, handling these bumps right here with a non-semi-active suspension. This V4R, I mean, it gets really hot, you know, it doesn't want to do this stuff, but let's just say you're stuck in traffic, you know, like it's just kind of simulating, you know, not lane splitting. The slow maneuvers, it's amazing. It's like when I had the S4RS, those things, like it would do this, like it's like it's so annoying, like, and this one is it's like almost a MotoGP motorcycle, and it's so smooth. It gets off smooth. It's like, so it's friendly when you want it to, and it's a beast when you want it to, and it's amazing for a bike of this caliber. Right there, last minute brake, right there. Just gonna go through these parking lots and just give you guys, like, so basically I'm just like, you know, very darty, like abrupt maneuvers and things like that. It's manageable. Like, it doesn't scare you. It doesn't feel like it's gonna throw you off. It doesn't feel like it's gonna buck you off the seat like the older L twins are. It's easy to maneuver on slow parking lots like this too, because of how smooth the engine is. Probably just the characteristics of a V4 that I never tried until now with this bike. It's our first gear maneuvers. Like, I don't know if you guys are familiar with the L twin. The first gear on Ducatis, they suck because of maneuvers. When you're doing maneuvers like this on first gear, you're doing this on the Ducati. Typically, I had a 1098S, an 1199R, and they're exactly like that. Like, you wouldn't think, like, if you're just looking at it, if you're just riding it right like this, and then you're not looking at what you're riding, you wouldn't think that this is a homologation special MotoGP replica bike, or, you know, like this is derived from the MotoGP motorcycle of Ducati. It's crazy how that is. I don't even know where I'm going, but I'm just enjoying the ride quality. It's hard. That's something new to say about a Ducati race bike. The ride quality being amazing on a motorcycle. Damn, like this. It's just, yeah. I don't know how else to show you, but unless you guys have to try it. You guys have to try the V4. Oh, almost killed it right there. I still can't get the clutch engagement down for some reason. You guys have to try this bike. You have to try the V4 if you haven't yet. It's nice. Very nice. Alright guys, don't want to keep that video too long, but I just want to share that with you. I'm just doing some chores here. I'm taking the Ducati as much as I can to do some errands because I just love riding it. The only downside is I think the heat, and you get that with any Ducati superbike. You know, there is heat because the exhaust is curved right under your seat, and that's just, you can't avoid that just by the design of it. Alright guys, hopefully you guys are enjoying your weekend. I'm just gonna enjoy this ride, enjoy the sunny weather. It's not too hot, it's not too cold, perfect right now. So once again, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.